You know what's crazy? Most people train for months and still don't see results. Not because they're lazy, but because they're doing workouts the wrong way. This video will change that. You're about to learn a full body workout routine that builds muscle, burns fat, boosts stamina, and fixes posture. All in one session. And the best part? You can do it at home or the gym, with or without equipment. Stick with me, because somewhere in this video, you're going to hear one tip that might become the reason your dream body finally happens. Let's make this simple. Today's workout hits every major muscle group: chest, back, legs, core, shoulders, arms, everything. You'll understand why each movement matters, how to perform it correctly, and how to gradually increase intensity. No more guessing, no more random routines. By the end, you'll have a plan so clear that you won't even need to search for another workout video tomorrow. So imagine this. You finish this workout today. You're sweaty, your muscles feel alive, and for the first time in a while, you feel proud. That feeling is what we're aiming for. Because fitness isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling unstoppable. Let's break the myth first. Most people think they need a different workout for every muscle. Chest day, Monday, back day Tuesday, legs Thursday, and then Friday never happens. Instead, full body workouts allow you to train every muscle multiple times a week, meaning faster results in less time. Studies even show full body training boosts metabolism more effectively than isolated training. That means more fat burnt even while resting. Picture this routine like building a house. The warm-up is the foundation. The big lifts are the walls. The accessories are the details. And the finisher? That's what makes your house stand out. Let's start. First movement. Squat. The king of exercises. Why? Because it targets your quads, hamstrings, glutes, core. Basically half your body. You stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Push your hips back like you're sitting in a chair and drop until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Chest up, push through your heels, breathe out, stand tall. You'll feel your legs waking up like someone lit a fire under them. Start with 12 reps, x 3 sets. Next exercise. Push-ups. Chest, shoulders, triceps. But more importantly, confidence. The first rep might feel easy, the 10th might burn, but that burn is growth. Hands under shoulders, core tight like someone's about to poke your stomach. Lower slow, press hard. No worming, no sagging. If regular push-ups feel tough, drop to your knees. Strength comes with time. Aim for 10 reps, x 3 sets. Third, bent over rows. For your back. Because a strong back is what improves posture and makes you look powerful. You can use dumbbells, backpack, water bottles, anything heavy. Hinge forward, keep your spine neutral, pull weights toward your hips, squeeze your shoulder blades like you're pinching a pencil. 12 reps, x 3 sets. Fourth, lunges. One leg at a time, step forward, lower slow, knee at 90 degrees, push back. It improves balance, core, leg strength. You may wobble. That's your stabilizers waking up. Left and right count as 1 rep. Do 10 reps, x 3 sets. Fifth, plank. A strong core doesn't come from endless crunch videos. It comes from stability. Elbows under shoulders, squeeze glutes, hold like someone is about to drop a book on your back. Start with 30 seconds x 3 rounds. Sixth, shoulder presses. If you have weights, great. If not, use water bottles or even heavy books. Press up, control down. Shoulders, triceps, traps, all working. 12 reps, x 3 sets. Finally, burpees. Love them or hate them, they work. They raise heart rate, burn fat, build stamina. Drop down, kick back, push up optional, jump up. Do 10 reps, x 3 sets. You'll hate it first, then love the results. This entire routine should take around 40 minutes. It's not supposed to feel easy. If it does, Increase weights or reps. Progress gradually. Now let's talk about something no one tells you. It's not just the workout that transforms you. It's how you show up for it. The hardest part is often putting on your shoes. You'll have days where you're tired, days where you want to skip, days where you think one break won't matter. That's the trap. One skipped day becomes 3, then a week, then you start over again. This video is your reminder that your body holds more power than you think. There's someone out there just like you, maybe working long hours, maybe juggling kids, maybe struggling with confidence. But they decided to start. They pushed through. They changed their life. Why not you? Let's go deeper. Why does a full body workout work so well? Because compound movements use multiple muscles at once. That means more calorie burn, stronger hormonal response, better muscle growth. Instead of isolating one muscle and waiting 7 days to train it again, you're training everything more often. This accelerates progress like crazy. Think of your body like a machine. When one part gets stronger, the others follow. Squats improve your lower body strength, which makes running easier. Rows strengthen your back, which helps with posture during heavy lifting. Core exercises stabilize your spine, which protects you from injury. It's a chain reaction. Most beginners fail not because the training is hard, but because they overcomplicate things. They search best bicep exercise or how to grow chest fast. The truth is, the basics are what build the great bodies you admire. Squats, push-ups, rows, lunges, planks. Simple, but brutally effective. And don't forget progressive overload, the magical phrase. It means add weight, add reps, add sets, or reduce rest over time. If you do the same thing every workout, your body adapts and stops growing. So challenge yourself. Every week, push a little harder. That 5% increase is massive over months. But here's the problem most people face. Motivation fades. You start strong, but after a week, your excitement slows down. That's normal. You're not broken. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is what keeps you going. The results don't come in week 1. They come when you keep training even without hype. So how do we stay consistent? Create structure. Pick 3-4 days a week to do this full body routine. Write it on your calendar. Make it a non-negotiable appointment. Start small if needed. Even 20 min is better than 0. Make it fun. Play music you love. Track your reps. Watch your progress climb like levels in a video game. Reward yourself. Not with junk food, but with things that encourage the habit. New workout clothes, a better water bottle, a fitness tracker. Small wins make the journey exciting. Remember why you started. Maybe it's for confidence, maybe health. Maybe you want to look good shirtless or feel powerful walking into a room. Your reason matters. Hold on to it tightly. Let's create a vision. Imagine yourself 8 weeks from now. Arms more toned, waist tighter, muscles visible, breathing easier, feeling lighter. Compliments from friends. Mirror smiles instead of sighs. Clothes fitting better. Confidence through the roof. That future isn't a dream. It's a choice. Every session is a brick, and today you're laying the first one. Now the climax. The moment this becomes real. You are stronger than you think. Your limits are not fixed. Every rep you push past discomfort, your body learns, adapts, grows. That burn you feel? That's not pain. That's transformation. That's muscle fiber rebuilding, metabolism rising, fat melting. Embrace it. When it hurts, breathe. When you want to quit, do one more rep. When your mind says stop, prove it wrong. You don't need perfect equipment, perfect schedule, or perfect stamina. You only need one thing: to start. Right now, not later, not when life settles. Because life will always get busy, but your body is the only place you have to live, so take care of it. Full body workouts will change your life, not just physically, but mentally. You'll think clearer, sleep better, handle stress easier. Training teaches you patience, resilience, discipline. It teaches you that effort compounds, and when you conquer your body, you feel like you can conquer anything. Let me summarize your routine again clearly. Squats, 3 sets, x 12 reps. Push-ups, 3 sets, x 10 reps. Bent over rows, 3 sets, x 12 reps. Lunges, 3 sets, x 10 reps each side. Plank, 3 rounds, x 30 sec. Shoulder press, 3 sets, x 12 reps. Burpees, 3 sets, x 10 reps. Warm up for 5 minutes first. Cool down for 3 minutes after. Drink enough water. Eat protein-rich meals to build muscle. Eggs, chicken, beans, tofu, fish. Sleep 7 to 8 hours for recovery. Muscles don't grow during workouts. They grow during rest. You've watched the video. Now the question is, will you take action? Your future body is waiting at the end of this workout plan. Stand up, stretch, start the first round. This moment right now could be the moment your transformation begins. And when you complete it, come back and comment how you felt. I want to hear your progress. Every win matters. If this helped you feel even 1% better, go ahead and hit that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more simple ways to upgrade your life every day.